Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing of a not so new multi-tool that I got from eBay. So this is the Gerber suspension. I got it used. I think I paid less than 15 bucks for this. So forgive me for my nails because I'm doing some car works. If you're familiar with my channel, I just changed the serpentine belt today. So this is the Gerber suspension. Okay, so you can see the finish has some rust, but they're superficial. I can clean that up. And initially, I am surprised that this is spring assisted or spring loaded, whatever you call it. This is the first multi-tool that I've seen that has this feature. It has some rubberized part on the edge of the handle. Nice. Nice. This is rubber. Both sides. Next, of course, the body. The design of the body. Maybe skeletonized to lighten the multi-tool. You need to close this to access. Okay, access, and there's a tab. Okay, this is your saw and bottle opener times 2. What else? Oh, I don't know what you call this tool. Maybe for prying stuff, I don't know. And I don't want to use my nail. There you go. This, I'm surprised because of the shape, turned out to be a scissor. Inverted scissor. See? Nice. Also some smudges. Well, this is used, but I got a good price, so no worries, I can clean that up. And that's it for this side. How about on this side? Oh, let's close this. And you can't close them all at once because of the locking mechanism. You need to push this down, and then I think they go. Hold on. So they go one at a time. Come on. There you go. Okay, now you can go. Other side, tab. This is your knife. Has some rust smudges. Superficial. Is it locking? Yeah, it locks because of this. Next. Okay, prying tool, I don't know what you call it, and like a flat Phillips. What is this? And another saw. That's it. Like I said, you cannot. Oh yeah, you can do it. You can do it. So that's it. I got this for a good price, less than 15 bucks. Still good value, good product. Gerber suspension. I might get another one. That's it, guys, for today. Multi-tool Monday. Thanks for watching.